Bonjour les garçons and welcome to this video where I will try to condense everything you need to know about le passé composé. Le passé composé is not so difficult, but there are a couple of things you always need to take to consider when using that tense. So, as the name indicates, le passé composé is a tense that we use for the past and that is composed of two parts. Well, three to be exact. So, normally when talking about the passé composé, you need to start with this. So, what do we have here? J'ai mangé, tu as mangé, il a mangé, nous avons mangé, vous avez mangé, ils ont mangé. This is the basis, the premise. For passé composé, first of all, you need avoir in the present tense, and you need what we called the participe passé. In this case, what is the verb? The verb is manger, right? Well, the verb manger infinitive is like this, right? So the participe passé is very simple to get. You just remove the er suffix and you will add e with an accent at the end. And this is how you get the passé composé of your verb. J'ai mangé, j'ai regardé, j'ai écouté, j'ai fait. And there is only one thing that you need to keep in mind. When using passé composé in the negative, you just put ne and pas before and after the verb as usual. Okay, this is the first step toward understanding le passé composé. Now we are going to talk about the irregular verbs. The irregular verbs, or verbes irréguliers in French, are all the verbs that are not part of the first group. So any other verb that is not a ER verb is going to have a particular passé composé. Here you have basically the list that will help you understand most of the irregularities. Let's take a look at them. Le verbe boire, to drink. J'ai bu. Lire, j'ai lu. Voir, j'ai vu. So all these verbs, they have different endings, as you can see, RE, RE, IR for voir, but the participe passé is going to be with an U. J'ai bu, j'ai lu, j'ai vu. Then you have some other verbs. Attendre, j'ai attendu. Entendre, j'ai entendu. So be careful not to confuse these two. Attendre is to wait. Entendre is to hear. They will also have a participe passé en U. Répondre, j'ai répondu. Perdre, j'ai perdu. I lost. Recevoir, j'ai reçu. Courir, j'ai couru. Devoir, j'ai dû. Pouvoir, j'ai pu. Vouloir, j'ai voulu. So all of this you're supposed to know already. They will end with U. Now, some other verbs, the participe passé will end with the E sound that can be written differently. Participe passé with just the letter I. J'ai fini, j'ai dormi, j'ai souri. IS. J'ai pris, j'ai appris, j'ai compris, j'ai mis. IT. J'ai dit, j'ai écrit. And the very important ones, j'ai fait, j'ai été, j'ai eu. U that has to be pronounced like the letter U. J'ai eu. So these are the verbs. This is basically the list you need to learn so you understand how to conjugate verbs other than ER verbs in the passé composé. So this was just a reminder, guys. So I hope it's been helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know and I will try to answer. Merci. Au revoir.